What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Nvidia stock, guys. And is bulls last hope decimated? Is it over? Have bulls ran away now? They are out of confidence. The last try with the reinforcement that they tried to do yesterday after Texas Instruments earnings that made Nvidia in the post market go above 824 has all those hopes of potentially regaining the territory that bulls tried yesterday. And today, unfortunately, closing below 824, we are back down again, lost that little bit of distribution phase that bulls were trying to capture. Is bulls over now? There is no point for bulls to come back. Are we just now on our way down in the gravity, all the way coming down? We'll talk about all of that in this video. I would also highly suggest that you check out this video of mine, the QQQ, SPY, Meta, all of that. I did tech stocks here. How Meta earnings destroyed market today. I mean, that has had some effect on the Nvidia in the post market as well. But Meta, guys, I mean, I have my short position on it, but if I show you real quick on the hourly interval, poor thing is decimated. Look at it. But anyways, this video is for Nvidia. We do have some reaction in the post market on this as well. ServiceNow, there's another report that company, there's a few things happening around ServiceNow where I think Nvidia is a investor, and ServiceNow forecasts weak quarterly revenue as business trims spending. So we'll see. So, but anyways, that's not really, well, sure, Nvidia is a complete different thing, and other earnings might affect it a little bit, but Meta earnings definitely is a big bummer, not just on Nvidia or other stocks, but on the whole market. But we are trading Nvidia technically. It's not Nvidia's earnings, so we are trading Nvidia technically. When Nvidia's earnings would happen, then we'll talk about technicals before and after earnings, how things may look differently. But okay, so guys, if I haven't let you know, please remember, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. I'll also take you over the options data here on Nvidia. Okay, so let's jump into technicals right away. So what are we seeing is, so what I was saying, first of all, that yes, guys, this is just a rebound. That's fine. I am not gonna become fully bullish. I definitely was mentioning that 824 and above is when we would start to enter in a territory where we would need to give bulls benefit and we'll need to take them into account. All right. We had a a ratio of yesterday and early in the morning as well, that okay, well guys, bulls may have now at least 35 to 40% chance, just because we are above 824. That was about to recapture these bullish areas. But however, I mentioned that bears are still more in control because we are still below 20 days moving average and below 50 days moving average, and this is technically still just a rebound. And together with that, on hourly interval, well, we also noticed that we are below 200 hours moving average. So check out my morning video here on Nvidia if you want to know more about it, that 824 level will decide it all, right? This is the video I did this morning. So yes, guys, $824 level will decide it all, and it has decided. We broke below that, and we have been heading lower. We'll come to this in just a second. I also want to show you on 4 hours interval that on Nvidia you can just follow pretty much this trend line as well. And you can see I talked about it yesterday as well. And you can, again, this will never be penny to penny perfect, but you get the idea, right? Like, we are rejecting at that trend line. So coming back to the daily interval, and so guys, we are fully in bear camp again. We are fully, this rebound has completed and we are heading lower. Just like as I was saying, guys, that's just a rebound, and if we go above 824, things may start to look bullish, but not fully bullish unless and until we break above 50 days moving average and close above that, or even 20 or 800 at this level, 859, and or 200 hours moving average on hourly interval. So, and that trend line as well. So you get my point, right? Like, yes, 824 and above, little bit bulls were trying to come back and play. However, as I said, we were only maybe becoming 30% bullish, 65 to 70%, we were still bearish. But that's like, okay, let's get prepared. Are bulls coming back with the reinforcement or not, right? But no, 824 level, we broke below that, and and bears are again back in full control. Now what from here, junior trader, you ask? So yes, guys, I expect Nvidia to continue to fall. I'll talk about if any pivot forms or whatnot, but I'll talk about those levels. But yeah, we can come down tomorrow to 756, and the way Nvidia makes these moves, look at today's range is as well like $49 almost. Let's see, $49, if that moves comes tomorrow, where would Nvidia be? So $49 is it's cracking below this level, right? 755. So 746 is possibility again in that area. So yes, this 756 is a possibility, and if we crack below it, this is another flush, guys, and that will bring us to $663 level on Nvidia. Now, I also want to show you my day trading bot, and this is where it really helps, guys. Why so? Junior trader, today Nvidia was falling. What are you talking about? Yes, so let me show you around. So on my day trading bot, Nvidia never gave a buy position today. You can see we are net profitable here. There will be red days for sure, but you can see last 30 trades net profitable. And when there is no trade on the buying side, look at it, my bot gave no position today, right? So great. I mean, that's where it helps as a reference that, hey, is this time to even play the long or buy something intraday? No, right? So, and look at it. Yes, even when, in these rebounds, we got great buying positions, profitable days. Again, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 trading bots and 2 indicators, all what I use in my videos and also for my day trading. Links to my tools are in the description below of this video. They are only for education purposes. Okay, now what? So let's go back to the hourly interval. And this is where what we can expect now from Nvidia. So it has come down to one of our next level down here, 784. I might want to actually put some more levels here. So let me adjust something on my indicator, intraday depth level medium. Just I want to see if there's any other important ones around. Okay, so it's loading. Okay, I have one more level here. That's fine, guys. Okay, so yeah, it's again, like, guys, it's below now 20 and 50 as well. If any rebound comes and we continue to reject at these levels like 796 tomorrow, that's still a continuation to the downside. If at this point, again, like any rebound, if it comes back to this level of 20 and 50 hours moving average, which would be around 806, even if it comes there, any rebound, that's still just a downtrend right now. Nvidia's in full downtrend again. I mean, I talked about it this morning as well. If I take it to the 5 minutes actually, and I talked to you guys like 824 level is so critical, because this is where I said that it was yesterday trying to find resistance here, and today it was trying to find support here, 824. And then we plummeted, and I mentioned that, guys, this is going to become a head and shoulder, right, in the morning video. And we, here we go. And we got that inverted head and shoulder over here, right? And yeah, so we are back in that downtrend, and in my opinion, Nvidia will continue lower. If you ask junior trader, can Nvidia become bullish? Is there a possibility of this becoming a pivot somewhere here? Well, for that, you need to watch for some confirmation. Right now, we don't have any of that confirmation, but if you want to see this become a pivot, you want to see Nvidia close, you want to see Nvidia close above both 20 and 50 hours moving average, above both of these tomorrow. If it can close above that, this may start to become a pivot on the intraday. Otherwise, no. Otherwise, if it can't close above 20 and 50 hours moving average tomorrow, then you can it's going to stay bearish. There is no pivot forming for the upside. So yes, this rebound was a stronger rebound, as I have been saying, but it doesn't really changes anything in the thesis because we are still in the downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. I showed you all the trend line, everything, guys, and moving averages and levels as well, price reaction. More importantly, areas of support and resistance are the most important here, right? The distribution phases and demand and supply, right? So I talked about all of that. And cool. Well, guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Let's see if tomorrow we have Microsoft and Apple earnings as well. Oh, well, we are not done yet. I got to show you the options data. Okay. Tomorrow we have Microsoft and Google's earnings as well. So let's see if they will follow Meta's suit, and if market is going to go much lower tomorrow, because it all will affect Nvidia, right? So anyways, let's go to the options data. I just want to show you. So white line is today's closing price, regular market closing price. Gray is yesterday's closing price. Green are the today's calls options. Red, bright green are the today's calls option. Bright red are the today's calls option. Dark red are the yesterday. Oh, sorry guys. Bright red are the today's puts options. Dark red are the yesterday's puts options. Bright green is the today's calls options. Dark green is the yesterday's calls options. Okay. Now, so today, well, guys, so here's the thing. As I said, yes, we are seeing still some high calls. They are still sitting strong. We even had $880 calls, and I was even saying yesterday, I don't know why they are trying to trade long calls here. But anyways, traders were still betting long for their own reasons. But all these calls are I'm still gonna be in the camp that, guys, these calls are gonna get cooked. Okay, just my opinion. Puts hasn't increased much, but I think money is on the put side. Again, this is just the option. I'm just telling my opinion and what the market is telling here. Where the traders are betting, it doesn't mean price is going to go there. And then, yeah, we don't have high spikes on the put side like we have on calls, but we do see some puts increasing today at 750 at least. All right, well, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like and subscribe, and links to my tools are in the description below of this video, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.